How to enable low power mode on iPhone automatically. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, launch the Shortcuts app and move to the Automation tab from the bottom navigation bar. Next up, tap Create Personal Automation, then scroll down to find Battery Level and select it. Up next, drag the slider left or right to choose the battery percentage when you want the low power mode to turn on automatically on your iPhone. You can also choose to enable the power saving mode when your device hits this percentage or falls below it. For example, I'm going to enable low power mode when the battery hits 50%. Once you have selected the desired battery percentage, tap on the next option available there. Here, tap Add Action, then search for Low Power Mode in the search bar and select Low Power Mode. Tap Next and make sure to hit Done at the top right corner of the screen to confirm the changes to the shortcut. So if you don't want the shortcut app to show an alert when the automation is triggered, turn off the Ask Before Running toggle. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.